So I'm going to pour in the flakes. I'm going to make it count. Not going to be easy, but I'm going to do it. Instead of waiting for a pelletizer or something, I'm just going to do something by myself. They say where there's a way, there's a will, there's a way. So first of all, I'm going to make this. I think it's okay now. Let's just start with this half. Then the blood meal. I'm supposed to add the blood meal. Wow, so thick. Shit, man. I stayed very well. I went to the slaughter this morning to get this blood meal. To the slaughterhouse. Wow, see how thick this one is. Wow, hope it's gonna turn. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. See how thick. Oh shit, man. It's congealed, but this blood will have a lot of protein. What do we do next? You pour it inside. So about half of the blood. This half, gonna keep this one. Gonna turn. Now the granite meal, granite cake. Grab half of this. This is the granite meal. Yeah, now the granite meal. Wow, Ryan wants to start again. Hope it doesn't start now.